do you create a permanent clean water system to support several thousand people in a rural farming village in sub-Saharan Africa? Today, we find out.
In this segment, we examine the challenges of developing a self-sufficient water supply for a rural village in the developing world. In this case, the Namawanga area of Western Kenya.
Maintaining a steady source of clean water, particularly as the planet's population rises to 7 billion people, is no small thing. Like the very air we breathe, we depend on clean water only completely.
It's hard for some of us to comprehend, but consider the reality. Nearly 1 billion people lack access to safe water, and 2.5 billion don't have improved sanitation. The health and economic impacts of this are staggering.
Wow. Break it down. That's 1 in 7 people on the planet lack access to safe water. 1 in 3 lack sanitation. When you look closely at it, today's water crisis isn't an issue of scarcity, but of access. More people in the world own cell phones than have access to a toilet. And as cities and slums grow at an increasing rate, the situation worsens. Every day, lack of access to clean water and sanitation kills thousands, leaving others with reduced quality of life.
A group of Engineers Without Borders USA students from the University of Massachusetts-Amherst took their first trip to Western Kenya in March 2006. Their objective? To work with the community of Namawanga to develop a sustainable water supply to serve several thousand people in their rural farming village.
During the trip, 4 students spent 1 week testing water and learning the geographical layout of the village. The ultimate goal for the student engineers was to provide a permanent clean water source for the community. The group worked to improve the existing spring boxes by protecting them from the surface runoff and animal waste, and by installing fences around water recharge areas to limit livestock contaminants.
Together with the local community, the group determined they needed to drill between 1 and 3 wells to ensure a reliable source of drinking water for years to come. They determined this was the most affordable, most sustainable solution to ensure potable drinking water for all.